Hello, Madam Luisa. This one's for you.
Ma'am Luisa yan, of course. Competitive yan. Hindi magpapatalo yan.
Okay. Ma'am Luisa yan. Of course, iyakin yan. Ma'am Luisa yan. Of course, Diyosa yan. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ma'am Luisa yan. Of course, singer yan. Regine. Woo! Ma'am Luisa yan. Of course, Ma'am Luisa yan. See you around.
Hi, ma'am. Balita ko lilipat ka. Mag-ingat ka doon. No goodbyes. Lagi naman tayong magka-chat. So, kung ano man ang hanash, we're just one chat away. See you soon. Bye.
Even though alam mo naman na magkikita pa rin tayo usually, lilipat ka lang naman ng Team Luisa. Pero, I think I'd like to take this opportunity na mag-thank you sa'yo. I guess I haven't thanked you during the time na magkasama tayo as JL4 JL3 partner, and even nung magkakasama tayo in lab, no? But I haven't told you, I think na you're one of my inspirations. Bakit ko pinupush yung sarili ko? Kasi nakita kita parang as my role model bilang JL4, kaya ako sumali ng All Stars kasi nakikita ko kaya mo gawin pagsabay ng trabaho and other commitments. Ayun lang, alam ko magiging magaling ka pa rin dyan sa bagong mong role. So good luck, and yeah, kita-kita pa rin tayo.
Hi Luisa, I hope you're doing great. On behalf of all the Mexico and Wexa team, we want to say thank you for all your collaboration during all these years, and mainly during the last months working together. I know that you are a very smart person. Of course, you will get all the success in this new chapter in your career.
Hola, buen día. ¿Cómo estás? Sí, diba? So, Luisa, yeah, I think aalis ka na nga daw. Charot. Lilipat ka lang ng team. So, syempre, una sa lahat, thank you for guiding me. Alam mo na when it comes to process, sa'yo talaga ako tumatakbo. And not only work-related yung mga chismis natin. So, I hope na even though different team ka na, so we can keep kung ano man yung band na meron tayo. So, chika-chika pa rin. And ingat dyan. Bye-bye.
Angie, from all the CAC team, we really want to wish you the best. You deserve this. We will miss you though. I was pretty sad you were leaving, but I'm happy for you. We wish you the very best. Thanks for always being there for us. Thanks for being open. Thanks for being upright and honest with us all the time. And we are sure you're going to have an amazing time, an amazing team, and you're going to continue growing. Besos, guapa, ciao.
Hi Angel, I was asked to record a send-off message or warm wishes for you as you move into your new role in 4PL. To be honest, it feels a bit weird knowing that I had convinced you last year to try and be interviewed for this role. You were the only one who had the courage to try and step out of your comfort zone and try to explore this new opportunity. You were the only one who believed that you can succeed when all the others were sure they would fail. They were afraid of this challenge. And that's where I have witnessed how you have developed as a leader. First with Vexa, then with Central Teams, and I'm very proud of what you have achieved so far. So I'm sure that the 4PL team is very lucky to have you, and you will continue to attain success in your new role. So congratulations and keep up the good work.
Hey Luisa, all the best to you in your new job with the 4PL team. I wish you all the best and I'm sure that you're going to rock it.
Hi, Mommy. Alam ko that you're excited about your new assignment, but also sad at the same time because you'll be leaving what you describe as a great team. Siguro, just remember that change can be good, and this could be a fantastic opportunity for everyone to shine and grow. But as for you, I know that you'll continue to do amazing things and reach new heights in your career. We completely believe in you, and we will always be here to support and cheer for you.
Go, 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 mommy. Go, 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 go. Go, go, mommy. 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 Go, go, mom. Go, go, mom. Go, go, mommy.
Because we all really deserve it. And again, I am really very grateful to be part of this team. And I am very thankful really for everyone.